Hey everyone! Welcome back to TriTech ABA, your destination for real tech talk without the fluff. Today, we're checking out the brand new Motorola Edge 60 Pro, just launched on April 30th, 2025. And trust me, this phone brings some serious heat to the flagship game. From its blazing performance and stunning display, to that massive 6000 mAh battery, and a camera setup validated by Pantone, this might just be one of the most balanced phones we've seen this year. Stick around till the end for my verdict on whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped launch. Let's start with the design. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro has a premium yet practical look. It's just 8.2 mm thick and weighs 186 g, making it quite slim and light for a device with a 6000 mAh battery. The frame feels sturdy, and you'll appreciate that it's rated IP68 and IP69, which means it's resistant to dust, water jets, and can even survive underwater up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It's also MIL STD 810H compliant, giving it military-grade toughness. Now, Motorola does add a footnote that it doesn't guarantee ruggedness in extreme use, but it definitely adds confidence for daily use and the occasional drop. This is where things get serious. The display is a gorgeous 6.7-inch POLED with 1 billion colors, HDR10+, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. And here's the kicker. It hits a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. That's one of the brightest screens on any phone right now, making outdoor visibility a breeze. You're also getting a resolution of 1220 x 2712, which translates to around 444 ppi, super crisp and detailed. Whether you're watching Netflix, editing photos, or gaming, the screen doesn't disappoint. And yes, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for added scratch resistance. Now let's talk raw power. The Edge 60 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme, a 4 nanometers chipset designed for top-tier performance. It's paired with an octa-core CPU featuring one high-performance Cortex, a 715 core clocked at 3.35 GHz, plus 3 more A715S, and 4 energy-efficient Cortex A510 cores. The GPU is the Mali G615MC6, which handles gaming well. You've got 3 variants to choose from: 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB with 12 GB RAM. All models use UFS 4.0 storage, which means super fast app loading, file transfers, and better efficiency overall. One thing to note, there's no SD card slot, so if you store a lot of videos or games locally, the 512 GB option might be the smarter choice. Now let's dive into those cameras, and Motorola is stepping up big time here. The main sensor is 50MP with OIS, large 1/1.56 ENUTs sensor, and multi-directional PDAF, great for day and night shots. Then you've got a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and OIS, a rarity in this price segment, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. Motorola is also using Pantone validated color and skin tones, meaning your photos will have more accurate colors, especially when shooting people. On the video front, it supports 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at up to 240 fps with gyro EIS for smoother footage. The selfie camera is also a 50MP beast with HDR and 4K video recording, great for vloggers and video calls. Sound-wise, Motorola is giving us stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and support for 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio. Audio output is clean, loud, and immersive. There's no 3.5 mm jack, which is expected in 2025, but the sound through Bluetooth and USB-C is solid. For connectivity, it's loaded. Wi-Fi 6E Bluetooth GPS with GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and Navic NFC for payments, USB Type-C with OTG support. Only thing missing is a radio, but who uses that anymore? The Motorola Edge 60 Pro packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, and it's using silicon carbon tech, which is more energy-dense and safer than traditional lithium-ion. Charging speeds are impressive. 90W wired fast, charging 15W wireless, 5W reverse wired charging, so you can top up your earbuds or another phone. With moderate use, you'll easily get 2 full days of battery life. And even if you're a heavy user, that 90W charger gets you from 0 to 100% in about 35 minutes. So what do I think? Is the Motorola Edge 60 Pro worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a device that nails performance, display, battery life, and camera quality, all under one roof, this phone delivers. But overall, for what it offers, this phone easily competes with the best flagships of 2025. Motorola has finally found its groove again. What do you think about the Motorola Edge 60 Pro? Would you buy it or wait for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.